Hi, welcome friends. My name is Vimal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to handle child windows in Cypress. So, Cypress has also a limitation. It's a limitation that it cannot handle multiple tabs simultaneously. So, for this you have to and you can say yes, interacting with multiple windows simultaneously it is not possible. So you will need to switch back and forth between the main and child windows as needed. And also you have to keep in mind that the child windows domain must match the domain of the page where Cypress is running. So this is a limitation in Cypress. So how will you handle these child windows in Cypress? I'm going to teach you today. So what is child window? First of all, I'll tell you. I have a demo website. So if I click on this action or any of the link, so the another tab has been opened. So Cypress cannot take the control of it. If I click on action, so this is how the child window is opening, but the your parent window is this, main page is this, and if I talk about the URL, you can say it has some extension with the actions index. Okay, so you have to assert also that URL. So for this, I have to take a element. You have to take a DOM element to interact with this. You have to click on this action. So I'll find the this is yes, this is so ID. I'll take an ID of this element, and this is an anchor tag. ID action. So I take a date. Yes. Sorry, I put it in wrong. Put it wrong. Copy. I'll just first of all I have to visit the website. CY dot visit URL name. You will get the element now. Just copy it from here. Now you have we have two approaches to handle this child tab. Uh, First of all, we will talk about first approach. In first approach, what we will do, we will remove this target attribute. To remove this target attribute because it is responsible to take you to the another page. So we will remove this target attribute with the help of invoke method in Cypress. So we'll write invoke. Invoke method will take two parameters. One is remove attribute and attribute name is in double quotes target. Now you have to click on this. If you will not click on this, it will open a new tab as I shown you before. Now we have to assert it. So for the assertion, cy.url, dot should include now the URL of the after action. After clicking the action, you have to copy the URL and paste it over here. Paste it here. So when I run it, so it has been successfully generated. But here question arises: if you want to if you want to back again, if you want to back again, you have to switch. You have to switch into your parent parent window. So there is a command that cy dot go and back. So as I said, you have to go and forth between the child and parent. So I'll put a wait here as you can see the functionality. I'll give a 3000 millisecond, which is 3 seconds. So now you will see the total functionality. Now see, it will wait for 3 seconds. Now it will land you to the again your parent page. Sorry. So this was the first approach in Cypress. Now I'll talk about the second approach. I'll just copy it, copy, paste, and approach two. I'll just skip it. Now, yes. Now in this, what we will do, we'll now directly communicate with the jQuery method. Now this is the element, and element has the href tag, which is responsible to take it to the next page, or this is the link where you can where the next child window URL is occurs. So now what we will do, dot then is nothing but a jQuery method in which we will store this method into e variable. We have arrow function. In arrow function, what we will do, we'll just write the e dot prop. Prop is nothing but a property. It has a property of href tag, href. So it means this element has the property href will store into this e. Now let's say we'll store into a variable called as something like you can say URL, right? You have to just simply cy. You have to simply just now say cy dot visit URL. Now cy section will be the same. This section will be the same. Now we'll run this. There is a error where we are wrong. cy dot visit URL. Where we are wrong. Okay. Sorry. I just wrote into the double quotes, but not. It will come into the without bracket, without double quotes. Yes, and this is approach two. See, It is waiting for 3 seconds, and now you are switched again into your parent window. So this is how you can handle the child tabs in Cypress. So I think uh, this video will be very useful to you. Thank you.